In today's video, we're diving into the latest updates at towers and residences, both in Vistacana. Get comfortable because this video starts right now. Besides operating a real estate business here in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, I continue to bring you all what you love best. Updates on the construction of many projects here. I get requests by email and text messages on specific projects. Some of you ask for updates on projects I've already published videos on.
Oh my god.
This means you're not a subscriber and haven't hit the notification bell choosing the all option. What this does is two things. It keeps you up to date in real time, and of course it also helps my channel to keep growing at no cost to you. And number two, you will get an immediate notification that I just uploaded a new video, maybe the one you're waiting to see. So why don't you take a quick second and do this right now? I appreciate you. Now let's get to the fun part. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy today's update video on towers and residences in Vistacana, Punta Cana. From capturing these images from the beginning, it's amazing how much has been done already. And soon they will start turning the units over to their respective owners. But there's still more work to be done to be 100% completed. Do you have your piece of Vistacana? Share it with all of us in the comments. If you haven't yet, don't procrastinate. Get in touch with me. Let me share with you the many options available to you. Call or text via WhatsApp at 809-223-8416 or email me info@propertiesbymasters.com. Let's secure your spot in Vistacana before these opportunities are gone. Thank you for watching. Have you subscribed to this channel yet? Please contribute to my continuous growth by hitting the subscribe button. The best part is it doesn't cost a penny. Also, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps others discover it. And continue to share these videos so we can help others as well. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Properties by Masters and visit my webpage at propertiesbymasters.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.